Hi there, I am Paul Yaterman, a scientist by day and among other things an artist by night. Here I draw stuff, spaceships, still life, original characters, life drawing, creatures and mystical beasties. In these videos I tend to show the post-thumbnailing drawing process resulting in a completed work. That typically involves a grey or blue pencil sketch, inking with fine liner, perhaps a scan of the intermediate work, and finally colouring using markers, pencil and sometimes Photoshop. Mostly I offer these up as time-lapse, mostly. Now and then I'll live stream, sometimes I'll show the video at normal speed for its entirety, so that's 60 minutes of fun, not much talking. If this sounds like something that would float your boat or provide you with inspiration, sketch ideas or instruction, activate the subscribe button and hit like right now. Also, comment with feedback or requests. Okay, let's see where I'm up to in the time lapse. After drawing the videos, I think I based this on a werewolf I drew sitting on a rock one day. I've gone in and sort of made it more biomechanical. When I say more biomechanical, and taken away any wolf-like features. Sort of based on going exactly here, but then segmentation. I'll get really gnarly with the hands. That's pretty good. And doing all this sort of hashing where I've had shadow with before. Yeah, really rudimentary hands, but I can't be effective. Rocket sitting on the texture to give the rock some depth, and from here be sure to scan it in for the colour. Pencil and time, and we're back. Instagram photo, and let's add some colours to the drawing. This is one of my flesh tone textures, although this time I'm using it for rock because it is also an earthy tone. And because I'm drawing on a standard graph pad, not using bleed-free paper and using this specific technique, it gives the rock some sort of depth because it's not that much even surface. And also putting a bit more ink on the alien to give it some shadowing on it. Colour for the nodules in the rock, a slightly dark colour again. More bumps and dumps and stuff. I'm just drawing in the alien. So it must have heme for blood because it's got a red mouth. Skin tone or colour on some graphics. Just trying to make the arms pop out from the body with the arms and feathers. And sort of, does she know it's an arm? It's not popping out really well from the rest of it. First, doing the leg. Now we're doing the arms, so it's popping out a little bit. Back on the spine, a little bit of depth. And there we go. We have an alien sitting on a rock, clearing a killer. So, what do you think? How would you have drawn this? Let me know your thoughts or ideas in the comments. If you have found this interesting, informative, entertaining, you were inspired to draw on your own sketchbook, or any fun stuff like that, subscribe to my channel, like this video and consider sharing it. Ideally, share it. If you were inspired to draw, share with me your creation in the comments or by tagging me on social media. Until next time, you have been watching Drawing Stuff with me, Paul Yateman. Ciao, take care and happy drawing.